We are currently here at Tigbawan and we will be celebrating the Father's Day. So to all fathers there, mga papa, tatay, daddy, happy Father's Day. Inasal. Wow! I hope you enjoyed your day with Cuatro Platos. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Balan ko. Here is Sir Mario. Happy Father's Day.
Welcome
Yes.
to Plato's Kitchenette.
Ayun, Sir Mario. As we celebrate the Father's Day, anong main dish natin for today?
Still we have our Thai food, our Pinoy food, and all these special menus for our fathers.
Ayun, so excited. Gid ako sure nga magtilaw sang Thai cuisine natin diri sa Cuatro Platos. Definitely mag-enjoy gid ako na later, no?
Oh yes, sure.
Yay! Upod ko si Ma'am Ana May and the cute little girl. Hello! What will you say to your papa? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Anong message mo, Ma'am, kay sir?
Happy Father's Day.
I love you. Yay! Yay! Jason, naman mo kay papa mo? Yay! Happy Father's Day, sir! Yay! Thank you! For the food. And what's your favorite dish? Ang dami. Ang dami mong kinain.
Yes, tanghon.
So, tanghon. Yeah, always favorite yun yan. Thanks sa tanghon. So, thank you so much. Mag-audition tayo for let's do this. We are from Otonpa right now and we are going to Madison Hotel. We are now here at Madison Hotel. Thank you. This is it, Manong. Thank you so much. Balan ko. Gasungaw ang pagiging theater actor. Na-feedback yun yan. Pero na-feel ko, gusto magamba niya. Pero, grabe, lang pag-tone down ko sa pagka-theater actor. Pero balan ko man malusot din siya. So, okay. It's a good experience. Thank you. Sa ating how's the experience?
It was so nervous.
Hindi mo ni first time, di ba, ang audition? Kapilanan.
3 times. First, a good day. Second, Pastor Allen. Then,
Yes. So, feeling
good.
Ayun.
Should, okay lang.
Okay lang. May ko pa okay lang.
Carry lang.
Carry lang. Sige. God bless to us. Yay, we have here Sean. Ang applyan mo is stuntman. Pero, napadialogue.
Hindi ko yung pwede.
Wala ka ng dialogue ko
Hindi naman dialogue ko nila. Hindi kaya.
Oh. So, how is the dialogue audition? Hindi kaya.
Medyo Medyo kulubaan.
Medyo kulubaan.
Pero no carry lang ah.
Yeah.
Carry.
Carry. Pero makuha ni kayo binag-alin, imo ganyan ang mga build, ang mga pang
Pang ano.
ano yan, pang rambulan. Di, good luck.
Kuya, pang rambol.
Di, hanggang sa susunod na rambol. Way pa, pero gin pa. Why?
Pabalik.
Hindi, gin pa freestyle acting ako. Monologue. Kontrabida. Kito dira ko mas natural. Balan ko man gasungaw ang pagka theater actor ko. So, hindi siya matitatago. Dapat be natural. Naman dapat mga ikaw gani, di ba? Sabi ko sa iyo, you look better than me on film because you are natural. Like eating the tinapay without... We are now finally home and ayun na. Hello ba tayo kanina and now I'm so happy. Makakakain na tayo ng ice cream. Aray ko, hindi ko labot. Ouch. Hindi, aray ko, hindi ko labot. Hindi magpa-count ako ng ice cream. Let's reward ourselves for being so nice. After the audition. Wala kay ara sa room. So, one by one. Yeah. But, weakness ko gid ang Zoom nga auditions. No, mabatian mo. Pero before sa ako, hindi sila lalaki. So, ayan. Let's eat and let's sleep and let's go back to work and wait for the result. Wish me all the best! Ang sarap. I just have to reward myself because Filipino, Tagalog is my weakness. And ice cream is not best for me. Best for my golden boys. Pero, just a reward. Yeah. Happy Father's Day once again. Thank you so much. Cuatro Platos, Kitchenette, at Tigbawan. Visit them for some Thai cuisines. Ayun, nalobat pala ako kanina. Kaya, wala akong masyadong video for our food. So, there you go. Until we see each other again. Bye! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong na channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby inspired!